In this video, we'll be telling about how to add members to any group in Telegram. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, select the group in which you want to add new members. For example, I'm selecting this group. After selecting that group, above you can see that group's name. Click on that group's name. When you are clicking on that, you'll reach a page like this. Here you can see add members option. Click on add members. When you are clicking on that, you'll reach your contacts. From your contacts, select the contact which you want to add to this group. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After selecting that contact, down here you can see tick button. Click on this tick button. When you are clicking on that, you can see a pop-up message like this. Here you can see one option add. Click on add. When you are clicking on that, that member will be added to this group. Here you can see that member is added. Now if you don't want to add each contacts, you want to invite them via link, you can do that also. For that, what you need to do is click on add members. When you are clicking on that, above you can see invite to group via link. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you can see a link. If you want to copy this link, just copy this link, or if you want to share this link from here, you can do that also. Just click on share. After that, you can share this link via WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or any other social media platforms. From there, when anyone is clicking on that link, they will be added to this group. So you can add any members to this group via link also. So this way you can easily add members to any group in Telegram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.